Greetings class, welcome to KIN 101, Introduction to Medical Clearance. I am Dr. Charles Ramos, I go by Charlie. This quick video clip is going to walk you through a little bit about what the course is about, and I also want to give you a little bit of background about myself. So first off, I am the Director of Sports Medicine here at DVC. So once we get going with athletics, you probably see me in the athletic training room taking care of injuries or as it pertains to this course, a lot of your medical paperwork. So that's kind of what I do here at DVC. As far as like personal stuff about me, I'm married, have 2 kids, they're 10 and 7. Hobbies I like are jogging, lifting weights, playing golf, things like that. I like being outdoors. So a little bit about the course. So the 2 main topics that are going to be covered in this course are going to be COVID-19 policies and procedures, which you're going to receive information about, the virus, the prevention strategies, the containment strategies, and also policies that we're going to put in place in case if we have positive cases. The other portion of this course has to do with our electronic medical records, or EMR, and it's called Healthy Roster. And a lot of that information you're going to get through this course. It's going to help you know how to log in, how to manage your profile, and then also it's going to walk you through each document that you're going to be required to complete, have signed, maybe a parent signature, and then also it'll get you ready to get your physical done with our team physician or your primary care physician. So a lot of important information that is going to be delivered to you through this course, and that's part of the reasoning behind doing all of this, is that we can put all of the information that you need to become medically cleared in one place. So it's not like you have to go to a different website or follow a link or anything. Like, everything's going to be within this course shell, and hopefully it's going to be pretty simple to follow through. It's set up in different modules that'll walk you step by step through each portion so that you don't miss any paperwork. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have for you. I do want to say though that any questions, comments that you have regarding any of the information, please make sure to reach out to me. All of my contact information is on your homepage. I'm available pretty much anytime for any questions. So yeah, just reach out to me if you have any questions or you just want to pop in and say hi. All right.